Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of medicine, health, and the hidden truths behind everyday drugs. Today we're talking about a medication found in almost every household in America, Tylenol. It's the go-to for headaches, fevers, body aches. But how much do we really know about this so-called safe painkiller? Tylenol, also known by its generic name Acetaminophen, has been around for decades. It's sold in over 100 countries, with billions of doses taken every year. Why? Because it's fast, effective, and available without a prescription. But here's the real question: is it as safe as we think? When you pop a Tylenol, it gets to work blocking pain signals in your brain. Unlike ibuprofen or aspirin, it doesn't reduce inflammation, just the feeling of pain. That's why it's often used for fevers, headaches, and even post-surgery relief. Sounds great, right? Well, hold on. Because here's where things get a little scary. Most people think it's over the counter, so it must be safe. But did you know that Tylenol overdose is one of the leading causes of acute liver failure? Taking just a little too much, even by accident, can cause permanent liver damage. And mixing it with alcohol, that's a disaster waiting to happen. Not to mention, Tylenol is found in hundreds of other medications, from cough syrups to cold medicine, so it's shockingly easy to overdose without realizing it. So, should you stop taking Tylenol? Not necessarily. When used correctly, it's one of the safest pain relievers out there. But the key is, always follow the recommended dose. Be mindful of other meds that contain acetaminophen. Never mix with alcohol or take on an empty stomach. If you have liver issues, talk to your doctor first. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the safer you can be. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss our latest health deep dives. And let me know in the comments, do you use Tylenol? Have you ever had any side effects? Let's talk! Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss our latest health deep dives. And let me know in the comments, do you use Tylenol? Have you ever had any side effects? Let's talk! Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.